Hi, I'm Alan Beach, the shop coach. When I first started my business, for the first 90 days, it felt like I had all kinds of cash. And then the bills started to roll in. And for the next 10 years, I struggled with cash flow. So I'm talking today to the shop owner, but the business advice I'm giving applies to any business. So I want to talk about 3 things that when I implemented it made a profound difference in my business. So number 1, I joined a community. I joined a performance group with a coach, and this made probably the biggest change out of anything I did. And all the changes that I'm going to talk about today flowed out of that performance group and the difference it made in my business. So number 1, join a community. Number 2, always be improving your business. Look for ways that you can improve your business and make constant changes. Don't try to eat the elephant in one bite. Take small bites and keep changing your business. And the third area I want to talk about is having strong financial records. Always be viewing your business that you're going to sell it next year. So get it in a position that the financials are so strong that it's a compelling situation if somebody shows up to buy your business. So let's dig into these 3 points a little bit deeper. Number 1, join a community. For me, I joined a performance group, and this was 6 other shop owners who we met monthly. We visited each other's shops. We understood what was going on. To keep this meeting very real, we shared financials. And so nobody could hide saying that they had a better business than they actually did because we saw the financials. We coined a term that we were an informal board of directors to help each other's business. If you want to find out how to get involved in a performance group, reach out to me in the comments below. So number 1 was join a community. So the second principle is to always be improving your business. This follows the Japanese principle of Kaizen. Always be making small changes to your business. So this was easy being part of the performance group because I was able to see other shop owners who were kicking it out of the park and making great changes to their business. And that inspired me to make changes. You know, whether it's changes to marketing, changes to housekeeping, changes to selling off inventory, it doesn't matter, but keep making those changes so that you're improving your business. I recommend that you have yearly, monthly, and daily goals that are part of your working principles so that you can be always making these changes. Don't view it as a difficult thing to have to do. It can be fun and inspiring to your business. The third thing is to keep great financial records. Whether it's your accounting and making sure that the bills are being paid, your staff is being paid regularly and having proper accounting, to reconciling your bank accounts and making sure that's done regularly. If you're not good at it, get somebody to help you and put it in place. This is so important. Let me tell you a quick story from my own personal background. So we were in one of our performance group meetings one day, and one of my teammates identified that I had the highest sales of any member of the group, but my profit percentage was the lowest of any of them. When I discovered this was gut-wrenching. It didn't feel good at all. And over the next couple of months, I had to put an action plan in place to improve this. And when I put this action plan in place, it dramatically changed my business and got me to a point where I was able to sell my business for a top multiple of earnings when the right buyer came along. If I hadn't been ready for that right buyer to come along, I wouldn't have earned what I did. So always be ready to sell your business and think about your financials from that point of view. So you can see that so many of the changes that I put into my business and that I'm recommending that you put into your business centered around being part of a performance group. Again, if you'd like to find out more about performance groups, reach out to me in the chat below. And if you've liked the content in this video, please hit the subscribe button for future videos. I hope you have a great day.